Hey, hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Varamahalakshmi Live. This is Maya Rao. So I'm back with one more beautiful episode, which is lightweight pattu. These sarees are gorgeous and beautiful in looking. Makes you look beautiful when you wear it. And also in today's episode, I am going to show you 45 different color combinations. So let's get started with the one I'm wearing, which is in pink color. So I'm wearing a lightweight pattu saree in pink color, which has all over diamond butties in copper zari, and the saree is in borderless style, as you can see. And also we have a beautiful pallu here, which has florals and diamond butties here, and we have a contrasting border for this saree. To place an order for this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ955, and the weaver's price is this is the lightweight pattu collection we are seeing in today's episode. It's a lightweight pattu saree. As you can see how beautiful it is, and the weaving, look at the weaving, it's beautifully done here. These lightweight pattu sarees are comfortable in wearing and makes you look beautiful when you wear it. And also look at the patterns on the body, and I'll give you the pricing for the saree. To purchase this saree, you need to take the screenshot of the item code, which is BZ955, and the weaver's price is 10,648 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let's get started with our beautiful lightweight pattu collection. So in today's episode, I am going to show you 45 different color combinations, but we have wide range of collection in our stores at Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Make sure you're visiting your nearest Varamahalakshmi store for more collections. Now let's get started with our lightweight pattu collection. It's a red and mustard combination. So here we have all over the body florals and leaves all with beautiful forest theme on it in gold zari. And we have a borderless style pattern for this saree, but we have a contrast edge border. And also we have beautiful pallu here, which has cross lines in gold zari. And here is the contrasting blouse in mustard color. To place an order for this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ975, and the weaver's price is 11,704 rupees. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. And also ladies, let me remind you, all the prices I'm going to show are valid only 24 hours, so you need to grab your sarees soon. Let's see the next saree now. Let's take a look on the next beautiful color combination in our today's episode of lightweight pattu collection. It's a blue and magenta color combination. So all over the body we have floral butties in silver zari pattern, and we have a contrasting border here with cross lines. We have dollar butties, we have zigzag lines in silver zari, and also here is the pallu, which has diamonds and cross lines pattern in silver zari. And a contrast magenta color blouse. To place an order for this one, take a screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ966, and the weaver's price is 10,032 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And also ladies, if you want to see any particular color combination, comment down in the comment section below, so that we'll try to show your request. Now let's see the next one. It's a yellow and orange combination in lightweight pattu collection. So here we have all over the body florals and leaves all in silver zari. Look at the color combination, it's a very classy combination. And here is the contrast border which has cross lines on it in silver zari. And also we have beautiful pallu here which has zigzag lines in contrasting orange color with silver zari on it. And let me show you the contrast blouse for this one. So here is the blouse. You can design it in whichever way you want. So if you want to purchase this one, take the screenshot along with the item code which is BX886 and the weaver's price is 10,000 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next beautiful color combination. Wow, it's a mehendi green and magenta color combination in lightweight pattu collection. So here we have all over the body. We have florals, we have leaves, we have zigzag lines pattern all over the body in silver zari. And also it's a beautiful color combination, mehendi green and magenta color. So here we have contrasting border in magenta color which has florals and leaves all over the border. And also we have got a contrasting edge border here in green color. And here is the beautiful pallu which has diamonds, florals and leaves on it in silver zari. And also we have a contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code. That is BZ972 and the weaver's price is 10,384 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next one, there is a beautiful color combination coming up for our beautiful customer Kanvasa Garu. Let's see that color combination. Here it is. It's a mustard and sea green color combination. I'll recommend you to definitely try this Andi Kanvasa Garu. So here we have all over the body, we have birds pattern in gold zari, and also we have florals in between. And we have a contrasting border here in sea green color which has temples, we have birds, we have peacocks and cross lines too. And also there is a detailing work done in thread work. And also here we go, contrasting pallu which has peacocks and parrots on the pallu, giving a detailing look in beautiful thread work. And here is the contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code. That is BZ990 and the weaver's price is 8,240 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And also remember ladies, all the prices are at weaver's price and are valid only till 24 hours. So you need to grab your sarees before the offer ends. Now let's take a look on another beautiful color combination. Here is the one more color combination in blue and reddish pink combination. It's a blue and reddish pink combination. So on the body we have floral buttis all over the body in silver zari, and we have a contrasting border here with beautiful blue color sari. So on the border we have florals, diamonds and dollar buttis here in a beautifully weaving pattern in gold zari. And also we have a contrasting pallu which has florals, dollar buttis and a brocade work done on the pallu. And here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code which is BZ963 and the weaver's price is 8,240 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So now let's see the next beautiful combination. So it's a black and silver combination. This is for Maharani Garu. You can definitely try this. We have it in silver and black combination in today's life, but we have it in our store. You can get in touch with our team on 8900010002. So it's a black and silver combination. So here we have all over the body, we have silver zari checks, silver zari checks all over the body, and we have a Kadi border here in silver color, and also we have florals in circles, peacocks and florals in circles in silver zari here. And here is the pallu, which has peacocks in circles, and also we have self blouse for this beautiful sari. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ953, and the weaver's price is 9,328 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Hi Umakant Garu, good morning Andy, how are you doing? Have a great day ahead. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination in today's episode of Lightweight Pattu Collection. So here is the beautiful combination again. It's a navy blue and pink combination. So we got all over the body florals and leaves all in gold zari pattern. It's a beautiful pattern on the body in the color combination of navy blue and pink color. And we have a gold kadi on the border and also a contrast edge border here in pink color. Now let me show you the pallu, which is in contrasting color and has zigzag lines, florals and leaves all here in gold zari. And we have a contrasting blouse for this beautiful sari. So here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code. That is BZ965, and the weaver's price is 12,056 rupees. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Madhavi Garu, thank you so much for commenting. We'll try to show your request in our upcoming lives. Now let's see the next color combination in today's episode. It's a sea green color combination. So it's a sea green color combination in Lightweight Pattu Collection. So on the body all over we have zigzag lines on the body in Prajakta Garu, if you so you have asked for this sari price. If the sari price for this one is, so if you want to purchase that black sari, you need to take the screenshot of the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And the item code for the black sari is BZ953, and the weaver's price is 9,328 rupees. Now let's get back to this beautiful color combination in our today's episode. It's a sea green color sari. So all over the body we have here zigzag lines pattern in silver zari, and also we have a silver kadi border here in contrasting color. And here is the pallu, which has zari lines and temples on it. And this is the blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ959, and the weaver's price is 9,760 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. You're welcome, Prajakta Garu. Make sure you're checking our website. We have more collections. get in touch with 8900010002 so that our team will get in touch with you. You can shop from our Varamahalakshmi store your favorite sarees. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination in today's episode of Lightweight Pattu Collection. It's a teal blue color. So we are seeing teal blue color sari in Lightweight Pattu Collection. So here is the body, which has floral buttis in box pattern, zari box patterns all over the body, and we have a gold kadi border here. And let me show you the beautiful pallu, which is in contrasting pink color, which has florals in curvy checks pattern, curvy shapes pattern in gold zari. It's a beautiful combination, blue and pink, and we have a contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BX887, and the Vivo's price is 7,040 rupees. Now let's move on to the next sari, but before that let me tell you, we provide global courier services and cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. Now let's see the color combination in this episode. Wow, it's a pink and sea green color combination. A beautiful lightweight pattu sari. Kanvasa garu, you can definitely try this Sunday. It's a pink and sea green color combination, but we have more collections in our store. Check out our collection by connecting on 8900010002. Our team will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Now let's see this color, which is in pink and sea green color. We have all over floral buttis in gold and silver zari pattern. So we have a gold kadi border here and a contrasting border, plain gap border, kadi with gap border pattern. And here is the contrast pallu, which has cross lines, dollar buttis and florals and leaves all pattern in gold zari. And also we have a contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ993, and the Vivo's price is 10,160 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Yes, Kanvasa garu, we ship globally andi, so no need to worry about that. Now let's see the next color combination in today's episode. It's a beautiful purple and green color combination. Look at the color combination and the weaving done here all over the body. We have florals and leaves all over the body in gold zari pattern, and we have a contrast border here in green color, which has cross lines. We have dollar buttis in boxes, and we have a edge contrast border here, and also the beautiful contrast pallu, which has cross lines. We have floral buttis here in silver and gold zari pattern. Now let me show you the blouse for this one. It's a contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot of the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002, and the item code for the saree is BZ985, and the Vivo's price is 11,520 rupees. And also we provide links to each and every saree in the description box below. All you have to do is click on that, where it directs to our website so that you can shop with us easily. And also we have video calling facility. For that you need to book an appointment by messaging us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now let's see the next color combination, but before that let's take a closer look of the previous saree. Welcome back. Before moving on to the next saree, let me remind you we have global courier services and cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. We also have video calling facility where you have to book an appointment by messaging us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And remember ladies, all the prices I am showing are at weaver's price and are valid only till 24 hours, so you need to grab your sarees soon. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination in our today's episode of Lightweight Pattu collection. It's a sea green and navy blue color combination. And here we have paisley butties all over the body with copper zari, and we have a silver zari in between the paisley butties. And here we go, we have a plain contrast border in sea green color. And also we have a beautiful pallu which has floral motifs, we have paisleys, we have dollar butties in cross lines pattern in copper zari and silver zari. And also we have contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ964, and the weaver's price is 8,640 rupees. And also if you have any inquiries related any other collection, drop us a message on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now let's see the next beautiful color. And also let me know in the comment section below which color do you want to see in today's episode. And it's a peach and pink color combination, a beautiful combination. So here we have all over the body florals, leafzal and paisleys in gold zari. Look at the shine on the body. It's looking gorgeous. And here we have a contrast pink color border which has zigzag lines. We have dollar butties, we have temples, we have florals and leafzal here in gold zari. And also a beautiful pallu which has floral motifs, florals, leafzal, dollar butties in boxes. And here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code. That is BZ987, and the weaver's price is 11,600 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next one. So today we are seeing lightweight pattu collection which are gorgeous and beautiful in looking and also very lightweight. Here is the another beautiful combination. It's a red bluish violet mix combination. And we have a all over the body polka dots here in gold zari. And look at the border, it's in contrasting, but we have an interesting border here. We have a beautiful forest theme here. You can spot deers, you can spot so many animals here. And here is the pallu which has brocade work, cross lines on it. And this is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ946, and the weaver's price is 8,960 rupees. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. And also viewers, in case if you miss this live will be saved on Facebook, Instagram, IGTV and YouTube. Do follow us for latest updates at Kanchi VML Silks. Now let's see the next color combination. And also let us know in the comment section below which particular color you wanted to see in today's episode. And also what collection do you wanted to see in future lives. Also comment down in the comment section below. And it's a green and purple color combination in lightweight pattu collection. So on the body we have cream color, and all over the body we have diamonds in geometrical checks pattern. And also we have polka dots in between the checks. And here is the contrast border in purple color which has florals in circles, and also we have boxes all over the border in silver zari. And we have a contrast edge border here in green color. And here is the contrast pallu with a beautiful brocade work here, and also we have some geometrical shapes, florals in silver zari. And here is the contrast blouse in purple color. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BX864, and the weaver's price is 11,088 rupees. Let's take a look on next beautiful color combination. And trust me viewers, these sarees are so elegant and beautiful, makes you look very pretty when you wear it. And here is the one more beautiful color combination. It's a blue and pink combination. So here we have all over the body florals and leaves all, and also we have forest theme in between the florals and leaves. You can spot so many animals here. I can see deers, rabbits. Yeah, and it's a borderless style sari. And we have edge border in contrasting pink color. And here we go with the pallu, which is in contrasting color and has florals, diamonds in boxes and cross lines in gold zari. And also a contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ982, and the weaver's price is 10,824 rupees. Hi Ira Paul Garu, how are you Andy? Hope you're doing good. Have a great day. Thank you so much for commenting. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination. But before that, let me tell you, we have so many branches all over South Indian states like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Make sure you're visiting your nearest Varamahalakshmi store for more collections. And also now we'll see the previous saree in a detailing closure look. Let's take a look on that. Welcome back. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination in today's episode of Lightweight Pattu collection. It's a yellow and navy blue color combination. Here we go. We have floral buttis and diamonds pattern in gold zari all over the body. And we have a contrasting border here which has buttis in diamond shaped pattern in gold and silver zari. And also let me show you the beautiful pallu which has diamonds. We have khadi here. We have beautiful work done on the pallu in gold and silver zari pattern. And also let me show you the blouse. So this is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ942, and the weaver's price is 9,120 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you'll get notified. Now let's see the next color combination. So here is the lightweight pattu sari in mehendi green color. So we have all over the body paisley buttis and florals in gold and silver zari pattern. And we have a contrast border in ikat style. Look at the border, it's an ikat style with floral buttis and gold khadi. So it's a beautiful sari We have a ikat combination here. So here is the pallu, which has florals in diamonds pattern, and also we have here zigzag lines, florals, floral zal, leaf zal in gold and silver pattern. Now let me show you the blouse. We have a beautiful contrasting blouse. To buy this saree, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ979, and the weaver's price is 7,600 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next one. So here is the one more beautiful combination, which is magenta and peacock blue color. So on the body we have peacock blue color, which has florals and leaf zal all over the body in silver zari pattern, and we have a contrast border in magenta color, which has cross lines. We have florals, we have boxes here in silver zari, and a beautiful pallu, which has florals and peacocks, cross lines. We have floral buttis here in silver zari, and a contrast blouse in magenta color. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is the item code for the saree is BZ970, and the weaver's price is 9,600 rupees, and you need to send that screenshot to 8900010002. Now let's see the next beautiful color combination. And also remember, all the prices I am showing are at weaver's price and are valid only till 24 hours. So you need to grab your sarees before the offer ends. Here is the one more beautiful combination. It's a green color saree. So we have a beautiful weaving done here. Let's take a closer look of this beautiful weaving on the body, which is in forest theme all over the body in gold zari. So in previously we have shown magenta color saree. It's a different color but the same pattern done on the body in forest theme, and we have a borderless style saree, and here is the pallu, which is in contrasting purple color, which has florals and leaves all. We have dollars in boxes, and also we have cross lines in gold zari. And here is the blouse. You can design this blouse whichever way you want. So now let's see the pricing details. So here is the item code for the saree, which is BX839, and the weaver's price is 11,704 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let's move on to the next beautiful saree. It's a very gorgeous combination. Wow. It's a greenish pink mixed with magenta combination. And also you can see the gold shine all over the body. It's a greenish pink, and we can see goldish shine also. So here we have all over the body florals and leaves all in beautiful gold zari pattern. And also we have a beautiful border, which has florals, leaves all, we have zigzag lines, and also here we have temples. Look at the work, how detailingly it's done with gold zari on the border. And here we see the pallu, which has peacocks, florals, we have kadi, we have triangle shapes in lines all over the pallu. And here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this amazing saree, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ989, and the weaver's price is 7,920 rupees. And also you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. To all the viewers, let me remind you once again, we provide global shipment. We provide shipment globally, and also we have cash on delivery option within Hyderabad, and also we have video calling facility. All you have to do is book an appointment by messaging us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now let's move on to our collection, which is lightweight pattu collection. And here is the one more beautiful color combination in sea green and magenta color. To all the viewers, if you like any of the sarees, just take the screenshots and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002 so that our team will get in touch with you, and also you can shop with us easily. Kanvasa garu. Definitely Kanvasa garu, if you like any of the saree, take the screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now let's see this beautiful combination. So here we have all over the body, we have florals and leaves all in gold zari pattern, and we have a contrast border which has florals and cross lines in gold zari. And here we have a beautiful pallu with huge paisley motifs, and also in between we have kadi pattern, and here we have floral sleeves all in gold zari. Isn't it a beautiful pallu? And let's see the contrast blouse. So this is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ991, and the weaver's price is 11,176 rupees. Reshmi garu, hi Andy, how are you doing? Thank you so much for commenting, and also let us know which color do you wanted to see. What's your favorite color, so that I'll try to show your request in today's episode. So here is the very beautiful classic combination, which is white and red. A very classic combination. So let's see the body now. So on the body we have paisley florals in circles pattern, and we have a gold kadi border here, and also we have paisleys and floral buttis in circles pattern all over the border. And here is the pallu, which has paisleys in cross checks, and we have here paisley motifs here in gold and silver zari pattern, and we have cross lines, we have paisleys in cross checks pattern. Now let's see the beautiful blouse. We have a contrasting blouse. You can design it whichever way you want. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BU820, and the weaver's price is 8,960 rupees. And also you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let's see the next beautiful combination. Vinita garu, this is for you. Vinita garu has asked for orange color lightweight pattu sari. Now we'll see that. So here is the orange color lightweight pattu sari. Vinita garu, I'll recommend you to try this. And also we have more beautiful color combinations. Watch till the live ends. You might like any of the sari in this episode. So here we go with the beautiful orange color lightweight pattu sari. So on the body, manaki body anta vachesi all over floral buttis in gold zari we have, and also we have a beautiful border here with zigzag lines, paisleys, leaves all, and we have zigzag lines, dollar buttis here. And moving on to the pallu, we have beautiful pallu which has zigzag lines on it in gold zari. And we have a self blouse for this one. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ967, and the weaver's price is 10,160 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Hope you like this one, Vinita Garu. You can definitely try more colors. Watch till the live ends. You might like any of the color in this episode. There are more beautiful colors. And here is the one more beautiful color combination, which is green and maroon color. And we have a green color body. So we have all over florals and leaves all in zari pattern all over the body. As you can see, it's a beautiful combination and a very classy combination. So here we have the border with gold khadi and also with floral buttis. And now let me show you the pallu, which has dollar buttis in boxes. We have peacocks, we have leaves all, we have huge leaf buttis motifs in khadi pattern. And here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ968, and the weaver's price is 12,000 rupees. Now moving on to the next beautiful color. And Sirisha Garu will try to show you a request for sure in this live or in the upcoming lives. Make sure you're watching our lives. And also, if you want to see any particular color combinations, we might not show in this episode, but we might show in the future episodes. And also, if you want to see, you can connect with us on 8900010002. Our team will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Now let's see the next color combination. It's a red and black combination. You're welcome, Sirisha Garu. So here is the one more color in lightweight pattu collection. So on the body we have florals and leaves all, and also we have birds here in beautiful thread work, and we have a gold khadi border to this beautiful sari, and a contrast pallu in black color, which has huge paisley motifs in khadi pattern. And here is the contrast blouse, which is in black color. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ983, and also the weaver's price is 11,088 rupees. Now moving on to the next beautiful color combination. And also remember, we provide global courier services and cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. And also the prices I am showing are at weaver's price and are valid only till 24 hours, so you need to grab your sarees soon. Now let's take a look on another beautiful color combination. So we are showing lightweight pattu collection today. Here is the one more saree in sea green and pink color. On the body we have all over floral and leaves all in gold zari, and as you can see we have peacock buttis in diamond shape pattern in a thread weaving here, and also we have gold khadi border. And here is the contrast pallu with florals and leaves all, and we have peacock buttis in diamond shape pattern, and also we have temples, dollar buttis, cross lines. Isn't it amazing? The beautiful pallu, it's giving a rich touch to the saree. And here is the blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ944, and the weaver's price is 8,160 rupees. Now let's move on to the next one. Here is the one more color combination. It's a orange and pink combination. So all over the body we have florals and leaves all pattern in gold zari, and we have a contrast border with florals, leaves all and cross lines pattern in gold zari. And we have a pallu which has paisley motifs on the pallu in khadi pattern, and also we have florals and leaves all. And here is the contrast blouse. To purchase this saree, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ954, and the weaver's price is 11,088 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next saree. Let's see the next beautiful color combination. It's a grey and green combination. So here we have all over the body zari lines in silver color, and also we have floral butties in multicolor pattern. And we have a contrast border here which has cross lines. We have here florals, paisleys and leaves all in silver zari. And we have a huge floral motifs on the pallu with beautiful thread weaving here on the flower. And here is the contrast blouse. To buy this saree, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ958, and the weaver's price is 7,600 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. Meena Garu has asked for onion pink color, but we have it in a darker shade color. You can definitely try this, Meena Garu. And also we'll try to show your request in future upcoming lives. It's a dark. So here we have all over the body floral butties in circles, and we have peacock butties all over the body in checks pattern. And we have a contrast border here with black color which has temples. We have paisley butties done in beautiful thread work, and also we have leaves all. And to the edge we have gold khadi border. And here is the pallu which has florals and leaves all and beautiful motifs. And also a contrast blouse. To buy this saree, take the screenshot of the item code, which is BZ980, and the weaver's price is 7,392 rupees. Let's see the next color combination. It's a neonish green and pink color. So on the body we have floral butties in gold zari, and we have a beautiful contrast border which has floral and leaves all in zari boxes pattern in silver and gold zari boxes. And we have a contrast pallu which has beautiful floral butties in zari boxes in gold and silver colors. And we have a contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ948, and the weaver's price is 8,480 rupees. Now moving on to the next saree. It's a maroon and pink combination. So on the body we have all over florals and leaves all in gold zari, and we have a contrast border with cross lines, florals and leaves all in gold zari. And also we have a beautiful pallu here with paisley motifs in tissue pattern and a contrast blouse. To place an order for this beautiful saree, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ956, and the weaver's price is 11,176 rupees. Now moving on to the next saree. It's a purple color saree. So we have all over the body dollar butties in gold zari, drop butties pattern, and we have a gold khadi border, and also a beautiful brocade work on the pallu. And here is the contrast blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ977, and the weaver's price is 9,328 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. Here is the orange color. Here is the beautiful orangish color sari. So on the body we have birds leaf zal in silver zari, and we have a silver kadi border here, and we have a huge leaf buttis motifs on the pallu with a self blouse. To place an order for this one, here is the item code. It's BZ960 and the weaver's price is 10,400 rupees. Now let's see the next color combination. It's a bottle green color combination in lightweight pattu collection. So here is the sari. So on the body we have leaf puttis all over the body, and we have a silver kadi border here, and we have a beautiful contrast brocade work pallu and a contrast blouse. To buy this sari, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BZ951, and the weaver's price is 6,400 rupees. Now moving on to the next beautiful lightweight pattu collection. It's a wine color lightweight pattu sari. So on the body we have all over floral buttis in gold zari, and we have a beautiful border here with dollar buttis and diamond shape patterns, and we have a brocade pallu with a self blouse. To buy this sari, take the screenshot of the item code, which is BU507, and the weaver's price is 10,160 rupees. And here we go with the next color combination, which is green and magenta color. Wow. So we have all over florals and leaves all on the body, and the border has peacocks, leaves all, cross lines in silver zari, and we have a beautiful pallu with leaf motifs, cross lines, and also we have a contrast blouse. To buy this sari, take the screenshot of the item code, which is BZ961, and the weaver's price is 9,592 rupees. And send the screenshot to 8900010002. And here we go with another beautiful color combination. It's a neon green and it's a parrot green. It's a parrot green combination. It's a half and half pattern style sari in parrot green and grey color. So we have all over floral buttis and leaves all on the body with a beautiful detailing done, and also we have a small kadi gap border. And here is the pallu, which has huge floral motifs with a contrast blouse. To purchase this sari, take the screenshot of the item code, which is BZ957, and the weaver's price is 7,040 rupees. And here is the last sari before moving on to the mannequins. It's a green and pink combination. So on the body we have florals and circles and lines pattern all over the body in gold zari, and also we have a pink color thread work done in detailing in between the florals. And here we have a beautiful border which has peacocks, leaves all, cross lines in gold zari. And we have a brocade pallu in contrasting color, and here is the blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BX645, and the weaver's price is 9,920 rupees. Now we will show you the sarees draped on the mannequin so that you will get an idea. Moving on to the first mannequin, which is in black color. So here we have all over the body zari checks in silver color, and we have a beautiful border here with cross lines, peacocks and leaves all, and also we have zari lines on the pallu with a self blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is AC478, and the weaver's price is 8,000 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next saree draped on the mannequin, which is in lilac color. So here we have all over the body beautiful forest theme in gold zari, and we have a gold kadi border here with contrasting pallu and contrasting blouse. To purchase this one, take the screenshot of the saree and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And moving on to the next saree draped on the mannequin, which is in orange and magenta color. So on the body we have florals and leaves are in gold zari, and also we have detailing in between the flowers. So here we have contrasting border which has floral butties and a contrast blouse. To purchase this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BQ420, and the weaver's price is 10,320 rupees. Now moving on to the last saree of our today's episode of lightweight pattu sarees collection, which is in yellow and pink color combination. So on the body we have paisley butties in gold zari, and also we have threadwork detailing done on the paisley butties, and we have a contrast border here in pink color which has paisleys, leaves, birds in gold and silver zari pattern, and also beautiful pallu and contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, take the screenshot along with the item code, which is BH638, and the weaver's price is 9,280 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, hope you all liked today's episode of very beautiful and elegant lightweight pattu sarees, and I'll be back with another beautiful collection in another episode. Until then, stay safe. This is Myro signing off. Namaste.